Hi, I'm gonna be watching the tampon video. You know, she's already taken the tampon out of her vagina, so I've already seen that. And she's right about to eat it, so I'm just gonna see, like, this is my reaction video, okay? Well, let's just watch this dirty video already. I'm so grossed out, I don't want to see it. Okay. This is crazy. Why would she do this? What's the point of doing this?
Really good.
Ooh. This smells like that.
Okay. If anyone says this is fake, there's honestly something wrong with you.
I'm nervous. What's she doing? Just do it already so I can. Oh my god. Just do it. I'm scared. She's done it. Come on, just hurry up and do it already.
I'm so nervous.
I can do it, bitch. Just do it. I don't have to watch it anymore. Oh my god, what the fuck's wrong with you? It wasn't as bad as I thought, but I mean, just like. It's like all your vagina fluids and your and your eggs and all that nasty shit, just like your uterine wall. Ew! She's eating it. She's tasting it. What the hell's wrong with this bitch? What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, I'm over it. You bitch, you nasty. You're fucking. Ew, she just. Okay. And that was my reaction to the girl eats tampon video. Ew, she's fucking crazy. Well, yeah. Bye.